Easy to use, Splash Kids fishing reel and rod combo is perfect for young anglers, featuring a 29-inch fishing pole that floats. This combo features a patented no-tangle design, simple push-button mechanics, and an oversized handle knob, making it not only easy to use, but also fun and safe for your kids. Fit to fish. Lightweight and easy to use, these combos are made for beginner anglers. The Splash Kids combo is simple, stylish, and size appropriate for adventurers aged 3 to 5. From the bright colors to the durable fiberglass rod with a tangle-free tip. It even floats if your little angler accidentally drops it off the dock. Get into gear with a Spincast reel and fishing rod that fits your age, size and style. Fun practice. Includes a casting plug for ultimate fun on or off the water. Cast in the backyard or on the shore to sharpen up those casting skills, or head straight to the water for more advanced practice. Its moderate action and light power is ideal for targeting everything from panfish to trout, and is designed to hold a 4 to 8 pound line weight and 1/16–1/4 of an ounce lure weights. Smooth performance. This size 20 Spincast reel is constructed with all metal gears and a 2.6:1 gear ratio for a silky smooth retrieve. Featuring a quick-set anti-reverse to stop your handle from moving backward and create a solid hookset in the mouth of a fish when reeling in your catch. The right-hand retrieve is pre-spooled with 6-pound Cajun fishing line, so you can start your fishing adventure sooner. Trusted. Since 1949, Zebco has been inviting people to explore the outdoors. Zebco products are warranted for a period of 1 year from date of original retail purchase against defects in workmanship and/or materials. Top reviews from the United States. So many great features. 1. There is no eyelet at the end of the pole for the line to get wrapped around and tangled up. 2. Floats. 3. Large thumb pad for line release. 4. Spot for hook when in storage. 5. Not chintzy. 6. Overall great design, great price. Would buy again.